Look at his hand, how Allah designed it. If Allah don't give this thumb, only fingers, you cannot do anything. Useless. Look at the design. Allah make this one thumb and you can hold everything. Subhanallah. Look, it is your hand enough you to believe Allah. Only this one. Why there is this thumb? Why? I was praying, I think that if I have no thumb, my fingers cannot do anything. This thumb is the perfect design to hold. The design of Allah. Think that who designed this one? You are in the womb of the mother. Your mother designed this thumb. Your father designed this. President designed this. Who designed this? The president of USA designed this one? Who designed this one? Why Allah make this thumb inside the womb of your mother? Sa tiyan ng nanay mo, sino gawa ng ito na yung, bakit may kailangan ito? This is important. Everything is perfect. Even your arms, perfect. Your eyes can see perfectly. Your nose can smell everything. Your ear can hear everything. Your mind can think very well. Perfect creation. Who designed this one? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala designed this. Even this mga ugly, yung mga pagit na mga robot, may somebody design, di ba? May design how to make robot. Company design, the people design, the scientists make design. How comes this human being walang design? Who make design? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala design. He designed it in the womb of the mother. In our brain, sa utak natin, 100 billion neurons. In this masjid, ilang kuryente? Siguro 100 kuryente lang, yung outlets. In our brain, 100 billion neurons, outlets, electrical. Every neuron in the brain has electric and supply to the whole body. Example, if I hold something, mine it, my signal will come and go and, oh, ito, mine it. I can tell who I'm seeing now. So that is the connection here in the brain. 100 billion neurons connect to the whole body, 24 hours a day, working. We have a 100 trillion cells. How many cells? 100 trillion cells in our body. In 1 trillion, 1,000 billion cells. But sa katawan natin, 100 trillion cells. And every cell need the kuryente 1.3 volt. All our cells, we need 130 trillion volts current. Because it's all current. Your blood is pumping because of the current in your body. Your brain needs the current. Your eyes need the current. Your hands need the current. We have a current in our body. And how you produce? We eat the food. We have a processor. We have a factory inside. We have a generator inside. And this generator will make energy, the current. And this current will function your body. How sophisticated machine. We use our food and we convert our food into the energy. We convert our food into the current, the power. And it is the same with the whole the universe. This universe whose size is 100 billion light years. We have 300 billion galaxies, and in every galaxy there are 300 billion stars. And these stars are rotating, moving. Lahat ng dito sa universe, lahat ng bagay na ikot-ikot para gawa ng kuryente. The electrons, the kuryente, and then this current is running on this universe. If all the stars will stop to move, wala na, baksag. All the universe will destroy it. So Allah make the magnetic field, everything is rotating. Kullun fi falak yasbahun. Lahat ng bagay sa universe, in the falak, because one of the name of this sky is falak, the space, the universe, name in the Quran, falak. And everything is rotating and producing the current. Even our body, if you move your body, you produce the current. If you sit down, your current will get low. And then we have a beautiful system of sleeping. When you sleep, you can recharge. Morning, you become strong. If you don't sleep one day, you cannot do anything. You're low bat. But when you sleep morning, you have lots of energy again. So these are the beautiful systems Allah make in our body and perfectly made. Perfectly made. Everything. You cannot make any other design for human being. Allah make best design. وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ. The best of the creation, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the human being. And He put us in this earth, and earth is completely beneficial for human beings.